Fun to Drive back on the road again, and this time off to the Driffield Car Craze car show. And I've actually got a spot on the Supercars UK Facebook group stand. Hopefully we'll see some interesting cars today, so stay tuned. We've just met up now with a bunch of other cars. We're doing a spirited drive. We're almost hitting 60 at some points down these backcountry roads. I've stuck the Mustang into sports mode, and yeah, it feels good. It's handling pretty well, I think. So in the lineup we've got an M4, a couple of F-Type Jags. There's an Audi R8, the V10 version, that looks pretty new, that, and a few other cars as well. We should all get there in one piece. Whoever says Mustangs don't handle well, you want to try driving it like this, because this is doing pretty well, and you can feel that Magna Ride adjusting suspension. Yeah, it's very good, very good. No regrets at this point from swapping from my 911. We'll get back onto modding the Mustang in a future video. I've got some good mods coming up, some bigger mods than the ones I have been doing. They were just tasters to get me started, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget, so that you don't miss out on those mods, subscribe to my channel. It costs you absolutely nothing, it's free to do, but it really does help me on YouTube metrics, so please subscribe. Let's get to the show. So guys, made it in one piece after going down the back road, so my car's here. What I'll do, I'll just show you some of the cars on the Supercar UK stand, and then we can have a look around and see what else we can see. So I'd have to stand next to this Humvee just to show you how big it is. Look, if I walk away from it, it's huge. So it looks like he's got a tower on the back here. If I just put my leg in there, you'll see the size of it is. Yep, that's what you call a tower. Over here we've got a full set of Mustangs really, so I think I'm parked in the wrong place, but yeah, looking nice. Look at these. This is what you call slammed. So there we go guys, just a little insight into the Driffield Car Craze. It is actually mental here. They're burning around that field. It's a little time trial, and if you get round quickly you win the full prize money. So there's a lot of people doing that. So it's about 150 quid I think the prize money at the moment, so it's worth a go. Not taking my car on there, but you know, there's a lot of people doing it. But yeah, so it's worth a visit. So if you ever hear about this one coming up in the future, I would recommend come and see it, because yeah, I've enjoyed my day. Yeah, so I'll leave it there then guys. Thanks for watching, and until the next time, stay safe.